For drawing the left and right neckline, we use the slash and spread pattern. The neckline depth is up to you. It can be more or less. Follow the steps as shown in the video. Mark 2 points of your choice on both sides of the pattern and add the required ease, as shown in the video. For drafting the skirt, we use a circle skirt pattern, with one difference. We draft the pattern using the full hip measurement. From the corner of the pattern, draw a compass arc with the measurement of hip circumference divided by 3.14. Mark the skirt length as shown in the video. When cutting, one part of the pattern should be placed on the fabric fold and one part should be placed on the open edge of the fabric. For the back pattern, we measure from the shoulder to the bust line and use the width of the front pattern shoulder, 6 centimeters. For the back, since we want to add elastic, we need to add 15 centimeters to both the width and length. For the waistband, according to the design, we only have a waistband at the front, so we make it 1/2 of the waist circumference with a width of 10 centimeters. However, the garment has 3 to 4 horizontal pleats in the waistband area. We can add 1 centimeter of ease to the pattern. Alternatively, we can make the width on the fabric 15 centimeters instead of 10 centimeters. Both methods are completely correct.